In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at the best free theme sources, step by step. So let's get started. So now go to WordPress.org and select Themes from top. Here you can see all the WordPress themes. Click on this Load More Themes button to get more themes. So here you get tons of themes. Then click on Latest tab and here you will get all the latest themes. We have 8,302 themes in this category. You can download any one you like from here. Now go to Feature Filter, and from here you can apply filters to your results. Now go to WordPress and select Themes from Appearance. Click on this top Add New button and select Popular from top. Here also you get all these results. Next go to skatethemes.org and here select Themes from top menu. Here you can select theme category from this drop-down list, select Free. Here you can see all the themes, totally free in different niches. Let's open the one you like. Here you can buy all their themes for $99 and this one is completely free. You can download it from here. Below you have all its details. Again click on Themes on top, and this is how you can find themes for free. Thank you for watching.
Struggling with WordPress? WP Learning 101 is your solution. Our free training is perfect for WordPress beginners. Click the link below to join WPLearning101.com and start mastering WordPress today.